how to give network priority to games and video calls with Intelligent Wi-Fi on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings, we then go down and tap on connections, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the more button at the top here. And from the pop-up menu, tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. Then we scroll down and make sure you turn on Prioritize Real-Time Data. Tap on the toggle button to switch this on. Once it is turned on, the phone will give network priority to games, video calls, and other tasks that are sensitive to lag. Background data usage is giving less priority. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.